Yeah, man. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah. Good morning to all my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man, on the voice of Bed Miller. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the sun is rising. Yeah, man, again. Falmouth Halfmoon Bay Beach. Inner seat. Mine City. Yeah, man. Falmouth Halfmoon. No. Falmouth. The sun is rising in Falmouth town. Yeah, man. And Falmouth and Mine City. And Falmouth Halfmoon Bay Beach, me there right now, brother. Inner seat. Falmouth Halfmoon Bay Beach. Michael Manley Pitney there. Inner seat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Forky bed. Yeah, man. They right now. Because, as I say, me post up some content recently. Yeah, man. The last content me post up. The last content me post. You know, see it? Yeah. The last content me post. Our my cousin Lando invite me to he can go address, you know, see that function at the same the Adventist church, a youth function and give a speech. And the title of the speech was, the theme of the speech was your city, your mission. Your city, your mission. And I say, boys, the speech was so touching and so inspiring in a way. You see, we have to build a content around the speech and about Mine City, Falmouth City. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we just want to stay at a distance because the man in quiet now, tweeting in the background and yeah, them thing. I'm on the Falmouth Halfmoon Bay Beach right there, you know. I don't mind thing. Because I try to prepare to play some football coming the 1st of August. The Cup Alumni link up because I want to catch all of them last year, I do my thing for my own still, you know. Yeah, man, I just come like number. Yeah, man, I just last year I go there and the Cup link up, do my thing. Take some picture, you know, see, because in time I just start me something there. Just start the voice of baby, so I do some video and so forth. And yeah, I all take picture too. I just video me do. But see this area, I don't do no video. Yeah, man, I go to interview still, but when I go concentrate on, I just play some football and enjoy myself. Because it's a nice thing. Because since I go dig up Luminize and Lumina kick no ball yet. And I want people to know, say football was my first love. And the first thing I love, football. That's why I have a passion for football. Because I know what football can do to people. You know, see it. So as I talk about now, I talk about Mine City, Falmouth City. Because I want people to know, say, I want people to know as well. And the first minute you hear the argument, you know. But when Lando they give the history, you see when Lando they give the history of Falmouth back in the days and say Falmouth town of pipe water, of water they run in a pipe and then in household before New York City. Falmouth, you know, in a Jamaica, you know, of water, of running water to them household and to them Falmouth people them before New York City people them have pipe water like us. You know, see it? Back in the early days. Because we get the water from the Marthabury River. Because Jamaica land of wood and water, you know. I try come stay at this time on a level still. Yeah, man. And if you know, you know, see it? If you know, say, all them years there, you know, see, Jamaica, when up there with all New York and in place there, because yeah, man, because that development of countries and so forth. Because we have a pipe water for a long time. And I can't believe it's so much years, so much way back in time in a seat. And now the Jamaican leaders them still have to bow to America. Yes, have to bow to America. In a seat. Jamaica no independent. We have to bow to America and then bow to England and all of them places there. In a seat. Yes. Because as the landlord say, your city, your mission. Falmouth and my city. I don't want anybody to come tell me about come get Falmouth city status. Falmouth and my city, because I know the Falmouth are the best place to live. Just like how, and that's why I always wear the shirt here, you know. Most times the reason I wear it regular, you know, until I give a speech, you know. Just like how in time when Martin Luther make a speech, when back in the days when time black people never get the, when black people have a rough time in America, and Martin Luther and God rise Martin Luther for unit, to make black people know themselves, and to make black people get opportunity and unite and start get rights. Yeah, man, the civil rights movements with the black people, and Martin Luther rise up and give speech. And them works. And Martin Luther say, I have a dream. To see the black people and the white people them unite and live in love. Yeah, man. As a Falloon say, you have to have a dream. You know, see it? I see my dream, people. My dream is because me love sports, you know. Me love sports. Because I used to grow up. Play football. Right as I play football back in the days. Right to me the right as now. And go center. From yesterday to center. You know, see it? Yes. Because from with a mind city. Yes. I used to learn to play football back in the days. I used to bring my son, Nev, and teach him football. Yeah, man. And Nev went on go play for Nip School same way. Come here for you laugh more time when in the seat. After you laugh, remember when Sean tell Nev say, because Nev tell me so, and Sean didn't tell him so too. Sean didn't tell Nev say, man, him no good, you don't go like your father boat place. And that Sean tell me son saying, man, he no good like my boat place. And Sean the reason why he tell Nev that. You can't see me and Mama ain't good, brother. Let me say good. I tell you that. Because you see I bring all Queenie coming or so. Queenie that are Corinne daughter, Queenie from compound. And teach Queenie football. Right as to teach Queenie football at morning time. A Falmouth City. Just to teach Queenie football and all them sitting there. Yes. Yeah man, because back in the days you have because I pay talented people come from compound, you know, in a sports, you know. Because I tell Nita say, all it is to play football. I hold it make Yatta stop keep. We hold it scope on Yatta. In a seat, a center. So as I say, back to my main argument now. In a seat. So what I say, the mission what I try to put forward. Because your city is your mission, you know, according to Lando speech, you know. Yeah man. Just like how Martin Luther King have a dream to unite the people of America. I have a dream to know say the youngsters them of Falmouth and Trelawney and even the entire Jamaica can get access, good facilities to play them sports. Because everybody go through school and get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 subjects in a seat. But you can use sports and take yourself out of poverty and out of crime. And that's my argument, you know. Sometimes I don't want long, sometimes I don't want long talking again, you know, brother. Because I just ease off of the sometimes they go easy off of the people them and not left and not leave them alone. But sometimes you have to fight a struggle. You have to fight a struggle for your people them. You know, see, especially when they have leaders, because as I tell people say, what me I do, and I'm not talking with politics. Because people vote for who they want to vote for. But I know the reason why I vote for Michael Manley. I know the reason why me vote for this, me vote for me, because I'm telling people say I'm not PMP. I'm not PMP people. I'm Michael Manley, I'm MMP. You know, see it. So that's why I come speak out. Who want to come out and speak out what Siaga do? When Siaga was Prime Minister, I can speak what Michael Manley do. In a seat, in a Jamaica, in a Falmouth city. Because Falmouth a city Falmouth have things in place from long time. Because ship come a Falmouth from long time. A Falmouth wharf. Sugar. Because back in the 70s, Jamaica have everything. Jamaica have the backside, Jamaica have the sugar industry, the backside industry. Especially sugar. Because I never forget when Langpan Sugar Estate, the whole of Falmouth people, and Falmouth footballers them, like Zaki, the whole of them managed to play for Langpan Sugar Estate. You used to have back in the 70s, you used to have the business house football commission. When the Sugar Estate them play against one another, when Langpan play against Amblin, play against Monimus, you know see it. The box, I be say, being of the Langpan, play of the sugar factory, them they play against one another, and the backside factory play against one another. You used to have the backside, like Kirkvine, Hall Park, all of them, they play football. Because Kirkvine football field was one of the best football fields in Jamaica back in the 70s. Kirkvine ground. Because when I go to Kirkvine ground, I tell a man, say, the beauty of the grass. The first time when I go up there, when I go to Kirkvine the first time, never go play football. Me and Bumpy did follow Navy Glanville. Go on, something there. Go on, JFF meeting. Because Mr. Navy Glanville was part of JFF. And he bring Navy Glanville when me and Bumpy went go with him. But me never nobody else, but me and Bumpy did go. First time I go to Kirkvine and see how Kirkvine field stay. And I say, boy, one day I want to go. I have to play upon Kirkvine field. And I do play upon Kirkvine field, you know. When time they are nib. You know see it. And nib when go play one football extravaganza upon Kirkvine field. And I remember when we don't play upon Kirkvine field after that again. But as what I say, you know see it. Yeah. Because of Michael Manley, the foundation of Michael Manley lay for us. You know, see it. Because one thing, you know, in 12 minutes or 13 minutes in my topic, when I talk about right now, Mine City, Falmouth City, and Mine City. What may I say? You see, what they take place called, as I say, what I can't understand now, the people of Jamaica, back in the days, the people of Jamaica, in a Falmouth City, used to have pipe water. Because Lando talked about it in his speech. And the first time I hear about it still now. The people of Jamaica used to have running water at them home and in workplace everywhere before New York City. Because we get the water from Martabury, for the Martabury River. Because Jamaica land of wood and water, you know. So we can't understand development when I go on in Jamaica way back. And now we come and live to see Jamaican leaders them about to America. Because New York City come from New York, the America. And when Jamaica have pipe water, New York never had no pipe water like us. And New York them place to develop. And why Jamaican still not independent? Why Jamaican leaders after they bow to America? You know, see it. And England, where we keep on borrowing to America and England. And they say we're independent from 1962. And from 1962, Jamaica no produce no greatness. No greatness that come out of Jamaica. You know, see it. In a no invention. Jamaica no build no car, Jamaica no build no bike, Jamaica no build no phone, no bicycle, nothing at all. From 1962, only thing Jamaica build a corruption and bad mind. Jamaican people them and set of beggars. You know, see, beggars and that Jamaica produce. Because we they beg. Because no man upon TikTok a beg. Pay beg, them a beg. The leaders them a beg same way. Because one thing I want to know, one thing I really want to know. Because since Mr. Trump, Donald Trump become president of get back in presidency, he might go on a bullywise the people, he might do all kind of things. I want people to know, say, people want to know, say. You see, when they hear man like Trump and all of them world leaders that call up Jesus' name, Jesus don't have nothing at all to do with them. Jesus don't have nothing at all to do with Donald Trump. Jesus don't have nothing at all to do with Andrew Onlys. You know, see it. Most of them world leaders, yeah. You know, see it. Jesus don't have nothing at all to do with them. Because Jesus do the heart of the man them. You know, see it. Jesus is with leaders who now go on, they bullywise people and a dictator people. You know, see it. And most of the leaders them would preach love and love poor people. And them leaders that you can't see. You know, see it. But do things for the poor. Yes. Because I want you to understand what the Cubans them have done to America in such a way that America can leave the Cuban people alone. You know, see it. Because America and Russia are in a war again like back in the 70s. When America and Russia are in a big war. Because Russia and Ukraine are war. You know, see it. Why the Americans them after the bullywise the Cuban people them. You know, see it. Because what Trump are going with is not right. Cubans have doctors at help out in the medical system of Jamaica, all over the Caribbean countries. They save lives. And you go tell me, say, the Cubans have to go back to them yard. In a seat. In a seat. Because if the Cubans go back in the yard, you go take out the people in visa. All the government ministers them now get no visa. If the Cuban doctors them not go back home. Yes. The sun will come out to them. I go circle the car and make sure because something the sun come out. You know, see it. They won't carry the camera more in the shade. Because when the sun come out, you know, brother. Yeah man, yeah man, the kind of. You know if you catch me fully now. I'm gonna stop it thing. This time is supposed to alright. Yes. Yeah man. So what I say the Cuban doctors them. Because me are surprised to know say because me 400 and odd Cuban doctors in the Jamaican medical system, you know. What doctor and one nurse and what medical practitioner and all them sitting there. Work in a lab and all them sitting there. 400 and odd Cubans there. They work me here. And fan Trump come out, come give him. Fan Trump come out, come send a threat and so forth. Me some leaders of the Caribbean, Barbados, lady from Barbados, not for the leaders that come together and say, boy, them probably give up. Them visa, but the Cubans them now left out of their country. And them people there are really leaders. At full time now the people them stand up to America. Just like all the African virgin are doing Africa. What Trump invite the youth, the young, we never president of one country, Africa, because they on social media. What the man do, the man they use him land. The man get no pay and all them sitting there. People they circle the thing. I mean watch it and see. Trump invite him to swearing in When Trump take over the presidency, in the city official presidency of America, Trump invite the man to go. The man not go. Because Trump can dictate to them people. What America did now, America come in your country, you know, I want to take over your country smartly, you know. Just like what China do, you know. Eh? Why Trump can bully why is China? And China are the biggest communist country in the world. And why Trump can bully why is China? Because China empower them people them. So Jamaican people are going to talk about Andrew wants a builder, Andrew wants this in a seat. And Jamaica prosperous and so forth. Jamaica not create nothing at all since independence. And you saying both and Bob Marley come out of Jamaica since independence. The whole of the flags of Jamaica, you saying both and Bob Marley are the greatest thing what have impact in the world. Tell me what Jamaica is no doctor, Jamaica is no great doctor, no great scientist in a seat. Not at all Jamaica no produce. All in come up and so forth and appear. Sure. Boy, I hear me people. Enough thing the art is so full, brother. You see when Michael Manley try to empower people, when Michael Manley try to get the good out of Cuba and build up a country, and the American government, you know, man, bring down Michael Manley back in the 70s, you know. Because when Michael Manley lose election in 1980, Michael Manley can't believe. They were so shocked. But so I'm telling the people, don't watch a crowd and don't watch a massive of the people. The people that sell out. Sell out. Because they can buy out. That's all I say. Michael Manley say he prefer stand up on his foot and walk through the world, but then crawl up on his knees. In the seat. Because he's in trouble in America. America will angry with himself. Because the man said nobody can stop him from being associated with the Cubans them. Yeah man. The Cubans them and them build GC faster. You know see it? And them build GC faster, you know. And the Michael Manley government, you know. I keep on asking the people them what Andrew owners have built. Tell me one sporting complex Andrew owners have built since the 9 years them in power. So when Andrew owners did the National Stadium and Babsy Grange, in the seat, the chair was Messi. Can you feel for the way you want to do, you know? When my chair was Messi, and when Messi scored, them excited and they clap for Messi, and all them sitting there. Andrew Onlys and Babsy Grange should be ashamed of themselves to see all the playgrounds in Jamaica stay for the kids them. Because a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old Argentina child is just the same like a 4-year-old and 7-year-old Jamaican child. In a seat. Jamaica can produce a lot of messes. Enough messes Jamaica can produce. Because if we produce Usain Bolt, we can produce any, when it comes to football and track and field. Jamaica good at football and track and field. At the grassroots level. And those things we put in place. So when you have, that's why I talk different than you, brother. I try to make it be half an hour. God know. In a seat. I mean I look no, because one thing I don't like beg, you know. I don't beg no subscribers, you know. Who want subscribe, you know. Because I reach me 10,000 subscribers already, you know. Because what I speak now, I prefer 100 persons tune into the voice of Bed Miller. You know, see, more than 10,000 hypocrites who just come from me thing and want, you understand me? Yes, and I listen to me word. I don't doctrinate nobody, you know. I don't preach nobody, you know. You know, see. You know, see, because we all sin and come short of the glory of God, you know. No man is perfect in this world, you know. But we in this world, we all are brothers and sisters. We all are brothers and sisters. That's the greatest thing. And the first, because of that, Jesus want to tell people, say, you know, man. So no man can get me born Jesus, you know. Me love Jesus, you know. Jesus have made me be the person I am today. Because when 2020, in 2020, when PMP and GLP couldn't help me in 2020, you know. I mean, I want to talk about 2020, you know. Because when 2020, when things are going on 2020, you know, and people are telling you, boy, you can't talk certain things because they go block you and they go take off this. And it's really true. But we all know what takes place in 2020. Globally, worldwide. That's why I say I ain't go vote. Because in 2020 PMP and JLP couldn't help me, brother. And Jesus helped me. Because I shed tears down at Falmouth half of me beach, you know. You know, see it? When I down here, you know. When I tell me, me and Mr. Henry did there. And big up to the Gallimore sisters, them. Boy, I tell you, those are the days. Because I see them at EX show other day. I'm glad to know, say, boy, them are do them things. And big up to Brim. Brim overseas now. Because we sit down and so almost every morning. In 2020, them time, there's a full of play football man a player, so can not time for do. And they couldn't play football in peace neither. Because when police come down, they have to take with themselves. 2020 Jamaican people them go through hell. The poor people them. When rich people come and they enjoy Jamaica, poor people suffer. And the same Prime Minister, they come back and now they try to make the people them. Because Tishan say anything in Prime Minister do is a 9-day wonder. The same Tishan there. Tishan say the only thing PGA do and build the national actually the multi-purpose stadium. Because Tishan hustle up there. Tishan make money at stadium, you know. Come and play music up there, you know. You know, see it. That's what I say. We want leaders who can stand up to America. We want leaders who can utilize them land and empower the people them. Because Usain Bolt are the greatest thing come out of Jamaica since independence. Because Usain Bolt do what he do and come back now and can because me saying in school was at 2 million another day and some other schools. You know, see it. Because Usain Bolt can get all their schools their money. Probably one next year he can get all Mushet money, can get other school money. So many both to give Mushet money. But if both give Mushet money, so yeah, probably one next year he can give Mushet some money. Because he lack over money, kind of want to look like a children school alone and few school alone give money. Usain Bolt have done a lot because of outer sports. Enough thing Messi are doing now. Because me see me virgin have a thing pan his status with Messi. Help out Ronaldinho. When Ronaldinho is in prison, and Messi take him out of prison. Messi a good youth. Because Messi character a good youth. Is a perfect example for the youth them. Because God rise the people in front of as I say, when Messi play, all the man them, Michael Jordan and all the sports people in the world have in command. They come from poor family background. And God rise them. Not for them. Most of them parents believe in the God of the Bible. Because God is love people. God is love. God is not about skin color. You know, see it? God is not about skin color. And we have a perfect motto. Just like our NIP school have a perfect motto. And states have a perfect motto. Because out of many one people. You know, see it? So we all, so if you are black and white and Chinese and Indian and so forth, we are one people. That's why when it come on to NIP school motto, you know, see it? Ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate. People have knowledge. Michael Mann say if we read, that's when they begin Jamal. Michael Mann want empowering people them. Because I notice most of the intelligent people in Jamaica right now, a PMP, most of them is presently in the People's National Party. Because our NIP school coach named Jerry. Jerry couldn't be principal of NIP school, you know. Jerry is a youth, he's an intelligent youth, you know. The first time I see Jerry give a speech at NIP school graduation, I couldn't believe. The short man, anything short, talented, just like our Messi short. Mr. Jerry gave a speech at NIP school graduation, a Baptist church. First time I see Jerry. Because NIP school always use some guest speaker or past student at the getting speech. You sit down in a Baptist church and Jerry gave a speech. The same Jerry what make the children in multi-purpose team are utilized. Jerry is like Lisa Anna. Jerry is like Damian Crawford. Because as what I'm saying, brother. As what I'm saying. You see, People's National Party right now, they have some educated people because because education good, you know. Because you have educated fools, you know. And fully done, you know. You have some some people have education till it no sense. And I think, people if you know say, man, the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Because enough of them man have the education, they don't fear God. So you call them educated fools. Yes. So what me I say? We don't need to empower the people them. To be self-reliance. So no country can come really bullywise, and pushing around. Gonna protect the people them. That's why they can't. That's why China. That's why Trump. That's why China people them. Why Trump said. Why Trump not chat say if them now Jamaica will stop to do business with China. I was not get no visa. China world superpower. China come from nothing to something, And China them protect. China are the biggest communist country in the world. Bigger than Cuba, bigger than Russia. Just the other day when they said they might ban TikTok of China, and Trump come in and say and they give TikTok people them some more chance and so forth. Because Trump afraid of China. Trump can bully because Jamaica are independent people. So all the big speech Andrew Warren is giving a parliament, it don't make no sense. Because Jamaica don't produce nothing at all. Back in the days, Falmouth City used to, yeah man. Back in the days, Falmouth have everything. Trinidad gonna produce everything. So not be frightened over the ship here. The ship here nice, yes, But Falmouth ship used to come from a long time back in the days. With sugar. Falmouth Wharf. When Michael Marley and man did it, and you understand, around the country, Jamaica have everything, youngsters. So all who born the late 90s and early 2000s, I hold them a control, That's why back in 2020, them try so me not want to bypass that. And me go close by saying because me gone 2 minutes over time because that 30 minutes me want to do. Me don't want to talk too long. But sometimes 10 minutes talk and it's not for me. It's not for fucky bed. Only thing me want to talk, and I want to close by saying in a seat. Because I continue as what Lando said, your city, your mission. Falmouth and my city. I don't live nowhere more than Falmouth. Falmouth, I spend more live. Anyone who want to go to America, go live in America. I want Falmouth City. I want Falmouth City you want to develop. Because right now, in a seat, Falmouth chicks up are open today. That are the plans of a Jabby bill and Son bill. I be saying Son must have they go have a chicks up. A local branch that. And I go support chicks up. Just like I support Falmouth chickens. Because I can't trust KFC again. Panel level. Because certain people control KFC. I know I do KFC nowadays. So I prefer support my local people them. You know see it. And it was because of Michael Manley and the Cuban side where Jabby did empower and the man could go to Cuba and go learn the skill. Then start your Cuban side and the man, yeah man, the biggest, the most beautiful building of Falmouth right now, downtown Falmouth. Everything are uptown Falmouth and downtown Falmouth built. The plaza, in a seat. Downtown Falmouth. I'm going to close by saying, at the same vision, at the same dream Kimani Marley did have for downtown Falmouth. In a seat. When Kimani Marley did won the Elixton Waitland Youth Center, we built a sports complex for the youths of Falmouth and for the youths of Trelawney so they can empower themselves in sports. And the Andrew only led administration led by Mr. Desmond Mackenzie. Mr. Desmond Mackenzie, what the white man Siaga used to beat. I can't believe that. So me officer want. That's the AI thing. That can be. That's the artificial intelligence. That most artificial intelligence thing that me it on social media say Siaga used to beat Desmond Mackenzie. And Desmond Mackenzie saying proud of it. And was a Cliff Hughes must when I interviewed Desmond Mackenzie back in the days. And said Siaga used to beat the whole of them. Just like our cartel used to beat in the people who around him. And Siaga was the one down, you know, in a Jamaica Labour Party, you know. The same white man Siaga, a chatbot. So when I preach racism amongst the people, but Marky G, a white man and a white man, Marky G come from England and this and that. Because he really bond them when PMP use my leader banner. Them a carry JLP, carry belly for PMP for the song My Leader Banner. But My Leader Banner are the greatest political song I've ever written. So all the youngsters them who born in the late 90s and who born in the year 2000, who depend on social media pay begging and beg. You know see it? All the girls in the pan social media pay I see it. I pay selling body. You understand me? No girl want to empower themselves to take part in no sports and nothing at all. Because girls go to high school and girls say they don't want tough. They don't want to run because they don't want to get tough. But girls toughness pay. Because Shelly and Frida tough. Shelly and Frida skin is firm. Not tough neither, it's firm. But Shelly and is well independent. Elaine Thompson, the whole of them, the Clayton sisters them, compete and they make them people happy. Some of the girls don't want to run because they don't want tough. But toughness pay girls. Bonnie Shaw, one of the greatest female football in the world right now. We can't talk on. The one I say, because I go close here now, because I tell them in 36 minutes, I don't want, you know what I'm saying? One I say right now, Kimani Marley, I just should say, me tell Nita say, Kimani Marley are the softer side of Bob. Kimani Marley too, because Bob have a rough side and a soft side, you know. Especially when you go on the woman, the man to foot, you know, because Bob conquer the woman, he want conquer in better. That is Bob Marley, you know. The same man say, he feel like bombing a church because the preacher might tell the line. That's why they don't give Bob Marley on you, you know. When Bob Marley say he feel like bombing a church, that's the radical Bob Marley. Who then couldn't stop and them kill him to quiet him. But Bob Marley live on same way. Just like when they kill Jesus, we quiet Jesus, Jesus live on same way. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Marcus Garvey, the whole of them. Martin Luther, Malcolm X, Mandela, a great man them there. Usain Bolt, a great man. Lionel Messi, a great man. For them legacy, go live on. You know, see it? Them man, they are great man. Yeah, man. As I say, Kimani Marley at the softer side of Bob. Okay, you see if Kimani Marley if it just come out, you know, man, come out, you know, and come on the voice of Bedmill and tell the people in Jamaica why them refuse to give the Elixton Waitland Youth Center the land where the man down here for the youth and play sports. That me close by saying the man down here team land. The whole of the landed wall, one perimeter around the wall. Then brought down the wall and put up them digital tower over there. And they make the money off of the cell tower. And now they brought down the wall and build place and build drop-in center. Where Falmouth now have no homeless people. More homeless people than Mobile than Falmouth. Then build drop-in center and then build out for shelter homeless people. And now they want to build fowl farm. They want to build fowl farm on the youth center. Yes, the same Desmond Mackenzie. Desmond Mackenzie opened the drop-in center in 2020. In 2020, when the pandemic go on, at the time the drop-in center opened. And Kimani Marley won the property to build a sports complex. And they don't give him it. They don't give him it because Mr. Garth Wilkins, we can call him name. God says the Kimani Marley plan. Kimani Marley did have him blueprint. And Kimani Marley, one of Kimani Marley brother, having girlfriend, in a state, a billionaire, when you go help Kimani to build a sports complex. And Desmond Mackenzie, who the white man Siaga used to beat, come out Falmouth, come out Chilano, come bother the people them. and do what them do with Mr. Elliston Waitland land. Mr. Elliston Waitland was a labor right, a good labor right man. In donate him land for sports. So it's a shame and disgrace to see Babsy Grange and Bro Devil a stadium. And look for the playgrounds of Trelawney. Trelawney where the world fastest man come from. No, I'm not, don't have an official running track or no. The man retired 8 years now. The man retired from sports in 2017. Both should retire from 2016, you know, but just because the monetary thing but go on 2017, you know. Both should never go back to the World Championship, you know. But both was the poster boy. I'm going to close off by saying, brother, 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes. 40 days and 40 nights, Jesus, you know, see it. Jesus is fast. Moses spent 40 days and 40 nights in a seat. In the mountain when to go for the 10 commandments. When Moses is 40, Moses come out and start lead the people out of Egypt. And for 40 years, the people in Egypt, the people in Egypt, the 40 years, the Israelite people wandered in the desert. You know, see it? So I'll tell you better. It's a thing. It's a thing. If Kim and the Malikaners only come out and speak out to the public, why they not give him the property? In a seat. Why they not give me property? Just like how both start come out and talk about the money right now. In a seat. And the followers of Barabbas cause have Usain Bolt the most. Because I use him the most disgraceful way. And Barabbas, their stadium, they have a cheer and Messi. And the youths of Falmouth don't have an official. Because one thing I said to Park are the most historical ground. Yoya Park are the most historical ground. And there's everything will take place. And there's some Cavaliers will play over Park. And there's some Gary Sobers and West Harlem take place. They didn't sports a park. And it's a Michael Mann is to keep in concert them, in political concert them, and Bob Marley and the man is to perform over park. Because one thing I want to know, Bob Marley, all of them, Bob Marley, all the man in the Rasta man, them love Michael Manley. You know, see it. Falmouth City, Falmouth City long time, because Falmouth City have water at them pipe. When American people them are building a bath pan, we have water. So we have city for a long time. Our leaders they are born to America. And Michael Mann ain't about to America. Michael Mann empowering people him to be self-reliant and be independent. The greatest Prime Minister of Jamaica I've ever seen. You can fool the people them sometimes, but you can't fool them all the while. Now you see the light, get up and stand up for your rights. You know, if you get up and stand up for your rights, brother, don't make them allow the Cubans to come out of Jamaica, brother. The Cubans, the Cubans must save life. Bro, they must take life. The Cubans must save life, you know. But Angie Onless and in cronies them, I take life. I tell you, brother. The time when the thing they go on and the Cuban doctors them come to Jamaica, everybody they celebrate. And now, we don't run out the Cubans in back of them yard. Because Mr. Container come for the Cubans in left, you know. Mr. Containers come for them pack up and left. And that me I hear. Because I know Andrew Onless can't come out dress. Every other Prime Minister of Barbados come out and speak out against Trump. That's why the lady, the Prime Minister of Barbados, is a good lady that. The same lady will give Wayana national heroine, highest award of Barbados. I play a Bob Marley song that she love, and she come up and stand up and say them people give up them visa, but they not give up the Cubans them. But Jamaica, oh Jamaica. You know, see it. How much profit God send monks, you know. On the kill the prophets them. You know, see it. On kill Jesus. You know, see it. On kill Marcus Garvey. On kill Bob Marley. You know see it. When kill Bob, when kill Michael Manley same way, when kill Michael Manley spirit. And no one kill Usain Bolt. Don't surprise if you no don't surprise if you no kill Usain Bolt. Jamaican people, when I see them see that people crucify Jesus Christ, I know that. Because Jamaica, a God country, a Jesus country. Because you have more churches per square mile in Jamaica than anywhere in the world. All you have Jamaica the most one bar same way. Yeah man. But I ain't born rum. I ain't born rum. I not drink rum. I not drink rum, brother. So, 45 minutes. Yeah man, 45 minutes and everything. You know see it. Because I have 45 minutes of speech. I go train for the next 45 minutes on the Falmouth beach right now. Because catfish, a football, I come play. Link up, you know. I want to do the same thing as States link up, same way. Yeah man, in December. A football, I come play catfish. Football was my first love. I know what football can do. And a football got that got in a sports and entertainment. With the conscious music them. That's why Bob Marley now go tired to see Bob Marley face. Because Bob Marley pit them about Bob Marley face. When I say Bob Marley pit them a white people. A white pit them, yes. Bob Marley pit them a white pit. You know see it. Michael Manley father and white man. Siaga father and white man. You understand me? Yes. Mark G father and white man. You know see it. Say Bob Marley pit him a white I see it. A white pitney, no problem. As soon as me get big, me say Bob Marley father. I never did know say Bob Marley father a white man. And Bob Marley mother a one black 16-year-old girl. Me read that. Me say she was 16, no me say she was 18. Me know why they changed from 16 to 18. But the first time I hear about Bob Marley mother, she was 16 when she get pregnant with Bob Marley. By the white slave, in father is a white plantation owner, is a man having money. Yes. But in love of this black woman and bring for Bob Marley. Yeah man. The greatest thing come out of Jamaica, Bob Marley and Usain Bolt. Since independence. Jamaica has produced nothing since independence. More than corruption and contract killers and bad mind people. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And one love. And one love. And big up yourself, Usain Bolt. Man, living hero. Can I give you hero for now? Nobody on social media and say Usain Bolt forget hero. I'm the only man that says so. Usain Bolt are the greatest since Bob Marley, are the greatest man come out of Jamaica. In great just like Messi. But Usain Bolt achieve what he achieve in a seat. In a 31 years on earth. Messi gone 38, they go soon go 40, and Messi still a compete. Usain Bolt never compete again. Because Usain Bolt have proven himself. Usain Bolt have proven himself to people. Because what Usain Bolt do, I'm going to close by saying, man, you shall never see another Usain Bolt come out of Jamaica again. Not even in the world you can see a man so fast like Bolt. Just like you shall never see another Michael Manley. And you shall never see another Bob Marley. Usain Bolt, Michael Manley, Bob Marley, and Miss Lowe. They get national hero. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya.